Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mr. Martin, so it's Wednesday, April 15th. Hey, Mr. Holton gave you a challenge yesterday. He said you should make an academic goal. Awesome. Make that goal and work on that goal. Focus on that goal. Be serious about that goal. He also said you could create some sort of personal goal. You want to create a personal goal? How about if you write, I am going to add value. And then every day, everywhere you go, just add value. How do you do that? Well, by doing the right thing. By following your conscience, you can simply add value. Let's hear what John Wayne has to say about doing what's right, following your conscience, doing the right thing. John Wayne said, there's right and there's wrong. You got to do one or the other. You can do one and you're living. You do the other and you may be walking around, but you're dead as a beaver hat. So, what John Wayne is saying is that when we go against our conscience and do what we know is wrong, it makes us feel kind of dead inside. It makes us feel terrible. Whereas, if we do what's right, we'll be adding value. We'll feel more alive. We'll be proud of ourselves, happy with ourselves. Our friends, our family will be happy with us. So if you're ever struggling with that goal of adding value and following your conscience and doing the right thing, reach out to a trusted friend, reach out to a faith leader, reach out to one of your teachers, your counselors, reach out to your parents, ask them for advice, and always, Wildcats, follow your conscience. Do what Jimmy the Cricket says. Let your conscience be your guide. Hey, Wildcats, we care about you. We want what's best for you. Stay safe, stay well, work hard, add value everywhere you go. Have a great day, future Spartans.